Today, just going to do a quick short video on how to download your photos and image files from this HOVERAir X1 Pro Max drone. So what we do is we plug in the USB cord into the USB port, and then power on the drone. It's not going to show up as a drive until you power it on. Once it powers on, the drive will come up as a hover underscore X1 drive. So you just open up File Explorer, find the Hover X1 drive, and there are your files. And you can just drag and drop them, copy them as you would any other drive. And then to disconnect it, go down here to the bottom right corner on your USB devices, and you can eject the Hover X1. So that is how you connect and get to your files and copy them. Thanks for watching.